with this, I move to the civil aviation sector. We are joined by Prabhakar Bajpai, General Manager IT from Airport Authority of India. Let's hear from him, his vision on PSU's digital transformation. So if you can kindly speak for 2-3 minutes. Yeah.
Good morning, all of you. Thank you, team APSC, for giving us this opportunity to interact with the esteemed guests on the dais. It gives us an opportunity to interact with the leaders from hospitality, construction, hydro, oil, and of course we are also from a specific domain of aviation. As you all may be aware that Airports Authority of India manages close to 150 airports in India. Our prime responsibility is not only to ensure that the aircrafts within our Indian airspace are managed safely, but also, our responsibility is to give a pleasant experience to our stakeholders, that is our passengers, while they are using our airports. So in that directions, as an IT, we are not only providing necessary tools to improve the organizational efficiency, we also provide tools to improve the passenger experience at our airport. And as the tagline of this event goes, making Indian PSUs globally competitive in the age of digital transformation, I think for us to go globally, if there was any right time, this is now. And why I say so, because government has created an ecosystem of support for us. We can leverage that ecosystem and then deploy necessary tools which improves not only our efficiency but also meets the expectation of our stakeholders. We have always been very innovative as far as rolling out the IT tools for the stakeholders. A couple of years back, we had rolled out a solution which is known as Airport Operations Control Center, which are the nerve centers of airport operations. While globally people were, operating these centers for single airports with a centralized database of one airport, we launched this system simultaneously for 6 airports, and afterwards it was rolled out to 10 airports. So we had a centralized database of 10 airports, which globally nobody was doing. In the recent past, we all know that COVID hit us very badly, but COVID also brought its opportunities for us as far as IT was concerned. Certain IT systems which probably could have taken 5 years or 10 years for the stakeholders, we were forced to roll down within no time, like remote operations, web check-in, e-boarding, which I hope you all are air travelers and must have used those tools. Last year we have launched a very wonderful tool which is known with the name of DigiYatra. See, globally people were engaged in doing the POCs for having a touchless passenger experience for maybe with one airline or with a single terminal at their premises. But we started with this system at 4 AI airports, government airports, and 3 private airports. That is 7 airports were made live with this DigiYatra system, which is basically gives you a touchless passenger experience while you are transiting through the airports. I hope most of you must have used this facility. It's a very, very wonderful system. And I don't tell you this because I am leading this project. I am telling you from a passenger perspective that when you reach an airport like Delhi, in a jiffy, you can reach from airport entry gate to the boarding gate if you are having only hand baggage. And if you happen to travel with DigiYatra, you can just have an evaluation that at the manual gates, the kind of queues are there and how smoothly passengers who are using DigiYatra can transit through this system. So earlier when we used to propose projects, हम उसमें लिखते थे कि we'll have a state of the art technology, we'll have a global technology, world standard tools in our organization. अब जब हम लिखते हैं for kind Digi Yatra kind of systems, तो हम ये लिखते हैं कि these systems are not available anywhere in the world. And today, this kind of systems are being, closely watched by global aviation players, and they also want to roll out these systems to their airports. So in a way, we are now showing the way to the world how to use technology for reaching out to the stakeholders. We also encourage innovation in our organizations. We have recently launched our revised startup policy. We look forward to engaging with the industry to bring out the solutions, cost-effective, efficient solutions, which can change the way we do our business, that is ease of doing business should improve. We are also giving funding to the startups up to the tune of 5 crores. And our charter says that yearly twice we will do this exercise. We may invite startups, or we may do a hackathon whereby we will come out with some problem statements, and then from the industry solutions can come to our organizations. In the past we had done this exercise, and I am happy to share that we have got developed couple of products which earlier we used to import from outside, and they were not meeting our requirements. They were not very flexible products which could be customized to our requirements. But अब जो product हमने develop किए हैं, they are not only cost effective, in terms of features they are much better than what was available globally. So with these words, I would like to thank again team APSE and all of you for joining us in this event. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, Prabhakar Bajpai, GM IT AAI. As he has started, when he started his speech, he said this is the time for India to showcase to the world. You talked about that. It's not about only increasing operational efficiency, but also enhancing passenger experience. That is the motto of AI. And also gave example of Digi Yatra app, which is again has been a game changer for flyers across the country. I'm sure many more airports will be covered under Digi Yatra in near future. Thank you so much.